Welcome to Rusted and Restored Auto Sales today. Today we've got a beautiful 1957 GMC 9300. This truck was came from a farm and it was painted by a brush, so it looks good from far, but when you get close you can see the brush marks. See, but it is a really nice truck. We did put all new bedwood in it. And we did replace all above the windshield, so it's all mint and new metal. We did the front and the inside and outside. The floor is really nice and doesn't need a thing. The truck overall is very good, I would say. It's an old farm truck, but it does run and drive. I think it could use new ball joints and a new U-joint for the drive shaft. It's a little clunky before it's ready for the road, but brakes and everything do work. It does have a nice inline 6 in it. Sorry about that. There's the inline 6. Oh, let's turn. This is a nice runner driver, like I said. Starts right up. Glass is all good as well. We did put a brand new seal and everything in. Well, thanks for checking out the video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and if you've got any questions about this GMC, let me know. And I will talk to you next time. Thanks for checking us out.